For today's read aloud, we are going to read a fable titled The Little Red Hen.
The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time, there was a little red hen who lived on a farm with her animal friends. The little red hen worked hard every day. She picked up dirt to keep the barnyard clean and found worms to feed her chicks. The other animals on the farm were lazy. They never helped the little red hen. They preferred to relax. One day, as she was scratching around in the barnyard, she found some grains of wheat. "We can plant these tiny grains, and they will grow," thought the little red hen.
We are going to pause there, and on the next slide, you are going to summarize the beginning of this fable. Be sure to include who are the characters, what is the setting, and what is the problem.